Modern OEMs are finding that it's easy to add new sensors onto their tools in order to collect more data about what's going on to better understand the process and the throughput challenges that are happening inside their tool. One of the things they rapidly discover, though, is that data by itself isn't that useful. Any one data point inside your tool isn't really telling you what's happening or what's going on. What's required is context. So rather than just knowing that a particular value was 300 psi, you need to know what else was happening inside the tool at the time of that value. What was the set point? What recipe were you running? What wafer or substrate was going through there? Was that substrate ultimately successful? Did it pass the test later on? Without that context, the single value of 300 psi isn't all that useful. You need a system or a solution that allows you to easily gain that context of all the different data points going on inside your tool, bring them into one location so you can get the insight you need. Peer Group offers this solution through our data broker, the Equipment Information Bridge, or EIB, that allows you to easily create context to your data, letting you find solutions to your problems.